So we are here. Oh my god, this is oh well I will speak English right now. So I'm trying my best. So look at I want to show you guys the very nice lake. So the surroundings is like this. Across the lake, it's mostly birch trees. It's and the pines too, but look at that one is lots of birch trees. And there are uh, two people fishing down there. It's very nice. It's really when you sit down here and like uh, just uh, just thinking. Yeah, it's very nice. And again, I will really repeat again and again that I'm so amazed the scenery over here in Colorado Springs. It's really nice. And it's almost May, but still snowing. And by the way, maybe this coming Friday there's snow again. And it's a wide river down there. So yeah, but right now I'm hungry. We have no food. We forgot to bring food. So okay.